Hello and welcome to Greeting Star. I'm so glad you could join me today. Here is a look at the 3 cards I'll be showing you today, and the first one is the "Oh Come Let Us Adore Him." I made this using the paper pack by Echo Park Paper Company called Wise Men Still Seek Him, and this is a pack that came out, I believe, last year, but I still had some and I wanted to use it to make some cards. So these are some of the remains of that card pack that I had, paper pad, and all of these beautiful designs are wonderful for Christmas. Now these ones right here under my hand came from a different set, so just ignore those. So you can see here on this card I decided to use that beautiful script paper as a background, and then I had some gold cardstock also. That doesn't come in the pack, but there is a gold paper that you can use instead if you don't want to buy the extra gold cardstock. And then I just cut a banner out of that striped paper, and then I did cut out that nativity. That's a Anna Griffin nativity die set, and that is I cut it out like 5 different times so that I could sort of paper piece all the different colors for Mary and Joseph and the baby Jesus, which you can see here, and also out of the gold cardstock. And then I added some embellishment, these pearls here, the pearl heart and the pearls on either side of that banner. And here I'm showing you how I did some of the paper piecing. I used this pick-me-up tool. This tool came with my Silhouette Cameo, but you can also get one through like We Are Memory Keepers. So anyway, you can see I'm just using that end that has that sticky part on it to pick up those tiny pieces. And even those smaller pieces, I actually would, and this is Tombow, the glue that I'm using is the Tombow Mono Multimedia glue. And so those tiny pieces I just poked through the die with that little poker tool on my finger, and then I put them on. So here's another look at the other 2 cards as well as that first one. And these other 2 cards here, I do have to apologize because the one on the right, the Joy card, that background didn't come from the Wise Men Still Seek 'Him paper pad, so I'm sorry about that. But here, this one I'm again using the Peace on Earth, and it comes from this Festive Lights mirror card from Craft Perfect Tonic Studios, and I just used my rectangular dies to create that pretty frame, and I thought that was gorgeous. And then that plaid background, and then this banner piece at the bottom, that comes from that paper pack as well. And just to dress the card up a little bit, I used my Wink of Stella glitter pen or brush marker to go ahead and add some sparkle to the windows in this beautiful little Bethlehem town. And you can't really see it unless the light catches it, but it's really pretty, and I think it kicks the card up just a notch. So that's kind of fun and nice. If you've watched my videos, you all know that I love to embellish cards. I think that's the funnest part of making cards, is embellishing them and just making them a little bit more pretty. And that's glittery and shiny, which is perfect for Christmas. And on the inside of the card, this Peace on Earth, that is also from this paper pack, and I just used another this diagonal stripe design. And then this is a Wink of Stella colored glitter pen that I used to trace around the edge of that. So that's my card. It was a pretty simple card to put together. Just need a lot of adhesive to make sure all those paper pieces fit down. Now again, I do apologize because this script background came from a different paper pack, and I don't even know which paper pack it came from, but I love it and it's beautiful, and I didn't want to not show the card. So I just took this word joy and I cut that out from the Wise Men Still Seek 'Him paper pad, and I glued that down to my card. And then I think the unique thing about this card is that I popped up it's supposed to be the background, the script paper there, but actually I popped that up. You could use some fun foam to do that. I just used some foam tape that I had. And then this rectangle here to frame the word joy, that came from some Cricut shimmer paper, but you could also just use that plain gold cardstock if you'd like, or even the gold paper that comes from the paper pack. And I also used my Wink of Stella to go to color in the words for the joy, and also to highlight some of those words that were already highlighted on that background paper. So those are the 3 cards that I made today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing how fun it is to make Christmas cards with these paper pads. They're a lot of fun. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with them. Just depends on your mind's eye and what you see and your creativeness. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That really helps me and supports me. And also, if you are interested in making these cards, you can click on the links below to find out how to purchase the products that I used. And I will receive a small percentage of the sale for the products that I do have an affiliate relationship with. So thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.